In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in HubSpot tutorial. We'll build a clean, effective contact form from start to finish, and I'll share a few quick tips so you understand why each step matters. By the end, you'll know how to set up the form, review it, publish it, and see your submissions. From your HubSpot home screen, head to the top navigation and open the marketing menu. This is where HubSpot keeps tools for capturing and nurturing leads. Inside that menu, choose Forms. The Forms area shows any existing forms and is your launchpad for creating new ones. Click Create Form to start a brand new form. You'll see template options that speed things up, especially if you're aiming for a common use case like a contact or download form. Pick a template that matches your goal, then click Use Template. Give your form a short, clear internal name and add a brief description so teammates instantly know what this form is for. Keeping names consistent now makes it much easier to manage forms later. You're now in the editor. Let's personalize the fields, starting with first name. Click into the first name field. For this walkthrough, you can type any name as a placeholder just to visualize how it looks and fits. For a live form, make sure the label and help text are clear so visitors know exactly what to enter. Next, select the last name field. Same idea here. Click in and use any placeholder value for the demo. The goal is to confirm that the field order, spacing, and labels feel intuitive. If your audience typically uses a single name, consider noting that in the helper text, but keep the layout simple. Move down to the email field and click to select it. Enter any test email while you preview. For a production form, this field should be required, and it's a good idea to enable basic validation so mistyped addresses don't slip through. Scroll to the message box and click inside. Add a concise, action-oriented line, something like, "Grab your copy now." A direct call to action helps set expectations and guides the next step visitors should take after submitting. Select the Submit button to confirm the label reads the way you want and matches your brand tone. When everything looks good, choose Review and Update to do a final pass. Then click Update to save and publish your changes. To confirm it's working, click View Submissions. You'll land on the Submissions page, where you can see entries as they come in. That's it. Your form is live and ready to capture leads. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips like this.